Hello my dear friends and welcome to another video. Today I will show you how you have to trade with my signals of my Telegram channel. It's easy to use. Just follow all settings step by step. Alright, let's get into it. First I analyze the chart and the currency with the most payout percentage. I check if it is an up or a downtrend. This time GBP/AUD is an uptrend, so I generate call signals. So the list with the signals are ready and we search for the current signal time. Remember, the generator is working on German time frame. So the current time in Germany is 10:51 AM and the next signal is at 10:55 AM. Now let's set up the settings. Select your trading amount. Your trading amount should not be more than 10% of your capital. You have to be careful, because if you're trading with too much money, you're risking to lose everything. So trade wisely. Also set the time frame and the expiration time to 5 minutes. Alright, the time has come and we are taking the trade 1 second before the signal starts. This signal is in loss, but no problem guys. We will use Martingale to recover our loss and take some profit. For Martingale I use the same expiration time. The only thing what we will change is the amount. The amount will be tripled. So my $50 will be $150. Also we take the trade again 1 second before the candle starts. Perfect. We won with Martingale 1. We took some profit and also recovered our loss from the last trade. Let's step into the next signal. The next signal starts in 15 seconds. So we check if everything is correct. Trade amount is good and the expiration time is also at 5 minutes. We are good to go. Trade is placed again 1 second before the signal started. It's very important. Let's wait and see how it will go. It's again in profit without any martingale. Beautiful. Let's step into the last signal. The last signal is at 11:35 AM German time. So let's wait for it and enter the trade again 1 second before. It was close, but we won again without Martingale. So we are ready now. Trading session closed with 3 trades. We won 3 of them and earned over $160 in under 20 minutes. That is incredible. You can also join my free Telegram group where I give you more of these signals every day. Link in the description below. Check it out. Thanks for watching. I wish you a very good and profitable day. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos like that. See you. Your 7C.